In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix mirror or inverted video call in WhatsApp. So the thing that I did is that I actually closed my WhatsApp app and instead I went into the settings app in here on my phone, and then I scrolled down and I clicked on general, and then I clicked on storage right here. I then swiped up here and I clicked on search. I'm gonna search for WhatsApp here and click on the WhatsApp app. Then click on offload app, and once again in here click on offload app, as you can see. Now we're just going to simply wait for it to update, so click on reinstall app here, then you will force the WhatsApp app to completely update to its latest version. That is the very important thing to do, by the way, because if you haven't yet done that, it will most likely not work for you, just so you know. So do this and you should be able to fix the inverted call as well. What you can also do, by the way, is to go back into your settings here and then scroll down and click on apps right here. Then click on search for WhatsApp, and then in here make sure that if your camera is turned off, turn it back on, or you can actually turn it off and then back on again. That might also sometimes fix a lot of issues, just so you know. Hopefully this will be able to fix it for you.